Could you tell me a bit about yourself? My name is Adriana Velázquez. I am 3 years old. I live in Soacha, with my husband and son. I have experience of 10 years in production, process and food quality. I have also working in food microbiological laboratories. Why do you want to work for the company? I want to continue growing professional through learning in all areas of the company, directing participation in the results of the company, will a pleasant environment, and have a salary directly proportional of the results. What are your goals for the future? Specialize in quality management. What are your reacting strength and weakness? My reacting strengths are bravery, enthusiasm, good humor, security, leadership, communication and emotional intelligence, and my weakness is my bad temper. Can you tell me a bit more about the skills you transfer from your previous line of work to our department 3? I like to be sure of what I say and do. I like to have an assertive communication, since is the very fundamental to carry on the decisions of team work.